So we think in terms of developing the Family Hub, the main impact that's had on our pupils is that, first of all, it changed the curriculum for our pupils. Our pupils were then engaging in community learning activities. We had children who were taking part in activities here in the hub led by a CLD worker that were about, having an impact in their local community. So we had groups of kids that were looking at road safety issues. We had groups of kids that were developing employability skills by coming in here and really taking part in that recruitment process. So yeah, in many schools you have primary sevens who have those responsibilities, for helping out around the school. But what our senior pupils were able to do was really engage much more deeply in that process. So rather than just being given a job and getting on with it, they were actually involved in that recruitment process. We had a whole number of community learning activities that were happening here within the hub. Those kind of really informal opportunities were absolutely critical to building relationships. Our children were going home and publicising the hub in a very positive way. They were involved in the kind of things that they want to be involved in, that they felt they were making a difference to their school and their wider community, and they were going home and talking about the work they were doing with the CLD workers. So the impact on the children was that they were enthusiastic about these new opportunities they had within the context of the school. The impact it's probably had on parents is primarily about them feeling that really has broken down the barriers between the school and the parents and the families. And I have to say, we would have probably not considered ourselves a school where those barriers were really strong. We felt we were a very open school with a real open door policy, but it's only through the last couple of years that we've realised that parents are considerably more comfortable coming in, talking with a CLD worker about issues that we would never have known about, and using this as a safe place for them to come in and talk about worries or stresses that they might have about their children, about family life and so on and so forth. And that's meant that the team that's based here in the hub have been able to work with them, support them, come and work with the senior leadership team within the school in terms of being able to address their needs, know what their needs are. As a senior leadership team, the impact has been the numerous partnerships that we've developed, the amount of local organisations that we've now got really strong partnership working with. We're not talking about people dropping into Kings Oak, delivering a few sessions and then disappearing off. We're talking about planning things together, delivering things together, evaluating things together. We're talking local colleges, we're talking third sector organisations, we're talking other areas within the council. And I think that's been the real surprise, for us, is that the CLD approach has really brought us those partnerships and has added value to what's happening within the context of the school. Our kids are getting experiences, our families are getting experiences that are being delivered, in partnership with these other agencies, and I think that's added so much value to what we can offer in our community.